Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting innovation in sports equipment that's capturing the interest of skiing enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Let's explore what Ski Road is and how it works. Ski Road is a unique type of skate designed specifically for skiing on roads. This isn't just any skate, it's a carving skate that imitates the movements and mechanics of skiing. Ski Road combines elements of ski rolling and rollerblading to offer a new way to enjoy skiing without needing snow. How does Ski Road function? The design is simple yet ingenious. In its upright position, the two front wheels of the ski road don't touch the ground, allowing the skate to go straight. However, when you lean to one side or another, the inner front wheel of the curve touches the ground, lifting the middle wheel, and thus the skate steers. This mimics the carving motion familiar to downhill skiing. Adjustability is key with Ski Road. You can easily adjust the turning radius by using a 5mm hex key to widen or tighten the front wheels, giving you control over how sharply you can turn. This feature is crucial for adapting to different street conditions and personal preferences. What makes Ski Road stand out? It's designed to help ski instructors and learners alike. The skates don't just slide, they require guided control, forcing users to learn carving techniques. This is beneficial at both low and high speeds, enhancing motor coordination across various learning stages. Plus, there's no deterioration of the paths used, making it an environmentally friendly option. Ski Road can be used on gentle slopes or even flat terrain, which helps alleviate the fear for beginners who are just learning to balance and maneuver. This makes it a fantastic tool for practicing skiing movements year-round, regardless of the weather. Interested in trying out Ski Road? Whether you're a seasoned skier looking to keep your skills sharp off-season or a newbie eager to start your skiing journey, Ski Road offers a versatile and fun solution. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on innovative sports equipment and tips on how to enhance your outdoor activities. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from us. See you on the road, or should we say, on the ski road.